World animal food. Hosted by, oh, that's me. I'm lucky. I like birds. Oh, there's a fractal. Do you know what a fractal is? It's not a bird. Well, birds are warm-blooded vertebrate animals that have wings, feathers, a beak, no teeth, strong hollow bones, a skeleton in which many bones are fused together or are absent, powerful flight muscles, and an extremely efficient one-way breathing system. Most birds can fly. Birds have a very strong heart and an efficient way of breathing. These are necessary for birds to fly.